Hello guys, today James Lamprey is going to teach us how to make an homemade ice cream.
Today we're making homemade ice cream in a bag. Start out with 2 Ziploc bags, one bigger than the other. In the little bag, put half a cup of heavy cream in there. Next, half a cup of milk. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Use any flavor extract you want. I'm using raspberry, just a little. This is optional, but blue food coloring. Zip up the bag, let out as much air as possible. In the large bag, put about 2 cups of ice. Put your little bag in the big bag. Add another 3 to 4 cups of ice. Now add some coarse salt to your ice. This is going to cause the ice to melt, but then makes the water even colder than normal. Trust me, it's science. Zip up the bag, and you just want to shake. You want to do this for 5 minutes. Make it into a dance. Here's a new dance. The ice cream in a bag dance. If your hands get too cold to handle it, take a dish towel and wrap it up. After 5 minutes, should be a nice soft serve type ice cream. Now it's time for the taste test. And we're going to try it with our tiny spoon. So today we're making homemade cotton candy flavored ice cream. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whisk until it forms stiff peaks. And by now, you know how we test this. Nothing comes out, it's good. Fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of cotton candy flavoring. Fold in. Now divide it into 2 different bowls. Add blue food coloring to one. And fold. And pink to this one. Now fill a freezer safe dish, a little bit at a time, different colors. A little bit of blue, and keep alternating. Tap it down, cover with plastic wrap, freeze 4 to 6 hours. When your ice cream's frozen, pull it out of the freezer. Scoop it out. Now for the taste test. With what else? Our tiny spoon, of course. Today we're making homemade Dr. Pepper ice cream. Start by putting 2 cups of heavy whipping cream into a large bowl. Whisk it until it forms stiff peaks. And to check to see if we did it correctly, did it form stiff peaks? Yes. Fold in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Add 2 tablespoons of our Dr. Pepper syrup. I'm also going to add some brown food coloring. This is totally optional. Fold it in. Now fill a freezer safe dish. Tap it down. Now put it in the freezer overnight. Next day, pull your ice cream out of the freezer and scoop. And now for the taste test. With our tiny spoon. This is good. Today we're making homemade Reese's peanut butter ice cream. Start with a large bowl and some heavy whipping cream. 2 cups. Whisk until it forms stiff peaks. You know you've done it right when you can hold it over your head and nothing comes out. In a medium bowl, add 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and a 1/4 cup of cocoa. And mix. Next, we're going to crush some Reese's Pieces and cut up some Reese's peanut butter cups. Now add to your mixture and mix. Fold in our chocolate peanut butter mixture. There you go. Once it's evenly combined, fill half your freezer bowl dish. Now add some melted peanut butter to the middle. Add the rest of your ice cream base. Tap it down, decorate it some more. And put it in the freezer overnight. The next day, pull it out. Scoop out your delicious ice cream. Fresh Reese's peanut butter cup. And now for the taste test. Today we're making cookie dough ice cream. In a large bowl, start with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whisk it on high until it forms stiff peaks. When it forms stiff peaks, by now you know we test it. Nothing comes out, it's good. Now add just 7 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, which is half a can, half a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And fold it. Now we're going to add some chocolate chip cookie dough that I made in an earlier recipe. Pour it into a freezer safe dish. Give it a tap. Sprinkle some more cookie dough on top. Cover with plastic wrap. Put it in the freezer 4 to 6 hours. Overnight's better. After about 5 hours of being in the freezer, pull it out and scoop it out. And now for the taste test with what else? Our tiny spoon. So good, those chunks of cookie dough, just amazing.
Some